Enjoy a woodpecker knock at a tree. You will need some wire, refill, card sheet and a spoke. First, wind wire on the refill to make a small spring. Remove the spring from the refill and trim one end. Stick the long arm of the spring with glue to the colorful woodpecker. You can secure it with sticky tape too. Now place the spring in a cycle spoke. On making the spoke vertical, the woodpecker will fall in short jumps as if it was tapping the trunk. Next, make a model tree and enjoy the woodpecker come down in jerks, tapping the tree.